Hi there, my name is Nahla and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to teach you how to very simply but very effectively animate and bring to life your sketches and doodles using strip animations. Now for this you're going to need very simple materials. You're going to need your choice of paper, your choice of pens, watercolors, pencils, whatever it is you would like to use to draw. And finally, scissors or an X-Acto knife. I personally do not have an X-Acto knife, so I'm using my kitchen knife, forgive me. And one more thing will be a ruler. The first thing that we're actually going to do is prepare the strips. So this is going to be the image that moves. So as you can see, I did something very simple already. Think of an image that's going to change essentially. So over here I have, for example, a wave, then a fish, then a wave, then a fish. Okay, now moving on to the actual body of the piece. Get to your blank page, and what you need to do is measure out the slits that you're going to cut so that your strip can be woven through it. You're then going to use your knife or your scissors to create these slits. You might need to do this several times until you get it right. And then feel free to decorate your background accordingly. I'm just going to do a quick embellishment of my slits. So I'm creating a kind of mountainous landscape, but you can pretty much do whatever it is you would like. This is where we start weaving in. So what I'm going to do is take the strip, put it through one slit and drag it almost all the way. And then I'm going to take it through the next slit. I'll then do the same with the second pair of slits. And then you can continue to adjust and decorate. So let's say I wanted to perhaps create more waves. And there you have it, a mini moving image. You can actually do this with horizontal or vertical strips, it's up to you. You can actually create gift cards as well. It is completely your choice. Thank you so much for tuning in. I had a lot of fun demonstrating this to you, and I really can't wait to see what you come up with because honestly, the possibilities are infinite.